Hello, what is up mga ma'am, sir, ma'am? Ako po si Ralph C. Fries, ang visual artist from Manila. And today, nandito na naman tayo sa Philbars Multiverse sa SM North na block. Tingnan natin kung meron sila mga bagong releases. Okay, here we go! And here we go! Philbars Multiverse. Grabe yung display nila. Scarlet Witch, Spider-Man with Venom symbiote. Tapos, they have the Spider-Punk. Hindi ko alam kung anong armor to, pero grabe. Grabe yung display nila. Look at this, 1/6 scale Spider-Man 2 Peter Parker Advanced Suit 2.0 with the spider arms. Super nice in actual. And you have the upgraded suit of Miles Morales, 1/6 scale collectible figure from Hot Toys. So, mini review lang natin, no? Short review lang. Meron siyang symbiote na veins or elements dun sa kanyang kamay. Tapos okay, maganda yung suit. Very nice yung suit. Zoom in natin na konti. Yan. Tapos ang ganda nung kanya mechanical arms. Look at that. Ang ganda nung texture. Yung color niya parang silver. Tapos parang merong blue dun sa silver niya. Parang cool tone na silver yung ginamit. Tapos yung pinakadulo nung kanyang arms, parang meron siyang translucent na blue. Okay yung suit. You have the mix of red, blue, and white. Tapos you have the Spider-Man web lines dun sa kanyang suit. Super cool. Ayun, then proceed tayo sa loob. You have the mugs, you have the gauntlets, you have the Hot Toys figures sa taas, 1/6 scale. And then you have Mask Rider na display nila. You have the poster, and then ito yung 1/6 scale na mga Kamen Rider Black Sun 1/6 scale collectible figure for pre-order. Hindi ko alam kung open pa yung pre-order. Pero you have the black armor with the red lights and the silver armor with the green lights. Tapos ito lahat ng accessories niya. Kamen Rider Shadow Moon pala ang tawag dito. Shadow, taga zoom out ka. Yan, Shadow Moon yan. And Kamen Rider Black Sun. Tapos we have Loki, Pop Marts, Funko Pops, the wall of Funko Pops, napakarami. Marvel Comics, Ghost Riders. You have Hot Toys, Spider-Man 1:1 with Captain America shield, McFarlane Toys na action figures, you have Jada Toys, tapos you have the Marvel Legends sa baba, X-Men, Transformers meron din, Lego, Harry Potter, ano po ba yun nandun? Marami po yun nandun sa likod eh. McFarlane Toys statues, Hot Toys figures sa taas, Star Wars na cos baby, yes, Disney, Marvel, ang dami dito, grabe, nakakalason talaga. Stranger Things, you have the graphic novels, 13, New Arrivals, Hot Toys 29K, 34K, you have the mugs, and sa mga PlayStation na fans, you have the PlayStation mug here. Tapos Marvel Friends, Marvel Star Wars, meron din silang keychains, and Pop Mart, Demu World, super nice figure, plush toy. Then you have Transformers. Tapos meron silang display dito na gauntlets. Naka-sale dati siyang 4K, ngayon 2,350 na lang. Tapos meron din nano gauntlets sa taas. And then you have Thanos 1/6 scale. Tapos meron din silang mga arc reactor ni Iron Man. You have the spider drones, and tignan natin yung mga McFarlane Toys. Baka meron tayong mabili sa mga McFarlane Toys. Ganda, Boba Fett, Star Wars, the book of Boba Fett, super nice. Power Rangers, Lightning Collection, Jada Toys Ryu or Ryu, Chun-Li. Kompleto pa ba? Nandito ba si Fei Long? 1799 only. Batman, Fighting the Frozen, Page Puncher, super nice. Ano po ba yung mga nandito? Superman Black Suit variant, Stig, Batwing, Captain Atom, Harley Quinn, The Signal, Duke Thomas, kailan natin Duke Thomas, Robin, Dick Grayson, there you go, Dark Flash, McFarlane Collector's Edition, yan, ano ba tawag dito? Green Lantern, tapos Two-Face, Abyss. Ito gusto ko to eh. Mahal eh, 2K eh. Mas mahal siya dun sa ano don't get me wrong, mas mahal siya dun sa stock na McFarlane toys. Mas mahal siya kasi ito yung mga normal 1.5. Dito sa mga McFarlane Collector's Edition, mas mahal siya ng konti ng 500. Yan. Tapos yung Batman Speeding Bullets 1, 2, Kid Flash, DC Rebirth, Red Lantern, may 1.5, Green Lantern, oy nice, Zombie, Batman, Sinestro Corps 1499 only, Superman DC vs Vampires 1499 only. Paano ba to? Ayaw na pumasok. Ayun, The Joker, White Knight 1299 only. Tapos Black Lightning for 1499 only. Yeah, then we have G.I. Joe's Iron Man Extremis Armor 1599, Space Jam LeBron James 5,000 pesos, Marvel Legends and Transformers Optimus Prime. Kano to? 3K. Then you have Studio Series 86 23, Decepticon Sweep. Then you have Ironhide. Tapos meron ding si RC. Okay. You have Cyclops, Wolverine, Emma Frost. Ano to? WandaVision, Vision. Ito maganda, Iron Man Extremis Armor. Super nice. Ano pa yung nasa likod? Uy, nice. Ito, kung naghahanap kayo ng Hand Ninja, 1,500 only. Yan, ano pa ba? Ayan, Superman comics. Ay, Superman na statue. We have the Black Manta statue, Sunken Citadel Pirate, and Legos. Ito, meron pa pala dito. McFarlane's Black Adam. Ay, tama, Black Adam, Dr. Fate, Spawn. May Spawn nila. Plague. Sino to? King Spider 1399. Nightmare Spawn 1399 only. Abyss, Two-Face, Dark Flash, Robin Integration, Joke, ayun na pala. Dark Knights Metal, Kid Flash. Ito pa pala, 1699 only. Dark Knights Metal. Ito, Red Lantern, Batman. Okay, that's it. And yun, dito pala nila nilipat yung 1/4 scale na Iron Man with gantry. Grabe, sobrang laki. Sobrang laki nito. Hindi ko alam kung saan. Grabe yung space oh. Sobrang laki ng space na nakukuha niya. Ayan. Yung acrylic na case. Pero grabe, tinan nyo naman yung detail ng ano. The yellows of the yellow color of the gantry, the metallic finish of the red, the gold finish, the weathering, super nice. The face of Tony Scott, medyo battle damage siya, may mga sugat. Very very cool. Tapos you have the metallic na rods or mechanical details dun sa gantry. Napakaganda. Para siya talagang gumagalaw eh. Para talaga siya nag-animate, para talagang suit up scene ni Iron Man Mark 4 ba to? O tama, Mark 4. Grabe, ang ganda. 1/4 scale to, grabe. And then you have Spider-Man 1:1 shield. Very very cool. Yung Mjolnir, Wonder Woman, Aristocats. Dami dito. So yun lang mga ma'am, sir, ma'am. Napakaraming toys dito sa Philbars Multiverse. Kaya sa susunod na punta natin dito, magtutour ulit tayo, okay? So yun, hanap pa tayo ng ibang toys sa ibang Philbars. Okay, so yun lang. Thank you very much for watching and see you sa next video. Bye bye.